Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sweet Treats. So today I'll share information about few more baking essentials and which whipping cream do I use, and also the color or the essence which we use into the baking or for the cake decoration. So these are the two. So this is not any paid video. It is my personal choice to use this brand. You can use any brand. So this is a gel color which we use into our whipping cream, or we can use it in chocolates as well. So these are the gel based color. This is not. These are not the water based. Now another one is this is emulsion. So emulsion is like it is a combination of essence and color. So it comes in a different variety. So I bought this I think 6 color for 250 or 300 rupees. I'm not sure about it. I'll just share the link into the description. So we get few flavors and the colors as well. Like the first one we get it orange. So it has orange essence and the color is as well orange. So if you want to create any prepare any cake for pineapple, you can use this emulsion. So no need to add essence separately. You can just use this emulsion. It will give flavor as well as the color into the base. So yeah, we have different variety into it, and one can use whatever they want. Now these emulsions cannot be used into the whipping cream, although you can use it, but it is not advisable because it is a water based flavors. Emulsion is a water based, so if you add this into your cream, it might become watery. So you have to keep it into the freezer or somewhere to get it settled properly. So it's not like you cannot use it, but you can use it in emergency, of course, but it is not advisable to use it. Now another one is these are the gel colors. It comes into the pack of 10. Again, this is around I think 300-400. It is easily available on Amazon and on any bakery tool shop. So it has different colors. So this doesn't have any flavor into it. It's just a food color. It is a gel based food color. You can easily use it into your whipping cream or in chocolates. It will not leave your cream. It will not leave your cream uh, watery or anything like that. It will be in the same state. But just make sure, like so this is a lemon yellow color. This is a light color. Other one is green and all. So whenever we need to make a dark color into the cake, or if there is any requirement that the decoration has to be done in a vibrant color, so don't like try to use emulsions at that place, because too much of using gel color or any color, like this is my personal opinion, if you use too much of color, food color into anything, let's say in the whipping cream, it might become bitter in taste after some time. So just to give the color we can use this, but if we need to give some vibrant color, better to use emulsion along with the gel colors. Like you can mix and match and arrange it accordingly. So that's what I follow. So yeah, this is a gel color, and the Papillon brand, I like this brand because it's quite reasonable, and the products are good as well. Apart from this, I have few sprinklers after the cake decoration, which we keep it into onto the cake or the flowers or anything, any decoration we can use it. So these are basically the sugar pearls. These are edible. It's not like it can't be eaten. It is edible, definitely. So yeah, so there are different shapes and sizes and all. You can easily get it. So I bought it. This box was for 100 rupees per, and this one as well for 100 rupees. So and other one is, this is the rainbow, the multicolored vermicelli. This is also another sugar coated, so you can use this as well. Now I do have different nozzles for piping. So there are different one, like the basically the big rosette one, which everyone uses, is M1, that big rose, we get it from. Then there are other, this is the 6B nozzle. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Okay, this one is 6B. It is written on the nozzles. This is M1 nozzle. And on this one, I think it is not visible. Okay, so like this we have different nozzles. So this is the rosette nozzle, which is very widely used. I think every baker is using this. Another one is, this is similarly, this is a kind of petals. You can create it with this one. So I have different ones here. This is again rose, anything. Or if you want to write something on any cake, you can just use this one for writing. It gives a very neat and sharp writing if you use this nozzle. Yeah, so these are all about the basic things which I use for cake decoration. And I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.